Alright, so I'm here with my main man Mossy. We're putting some fuel in the Snoek because we assume that the Snoek is running low on Snoek juice. If you wonder why it's called the Snoek, because it comes from the ocean, it was a fishing vehicle. Check that rust. Check that dashboard.
Oh, so I should assume that this thing is even connected to fuel tank.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Don't put all of our fuel in just in case. But yeah, she is rough. She used to haul boats in and out the ocean. That was her life. And now she's going to haul old Fords to the scrapyard. Fucking snooker clock!
Just put it in there. Let's see what's
Pull it in where? Get in, we're going for a drive, buddy.
It's gonna get stuck with us, don't it? Let's just change that fan belt, see what's going on.
Okay, let me get it in. Forward or backward?
That's the matter.
So yeah, we got the Snoek started. We're just going to do some investigation, check the oils, check the fluids, see why that belt is flipping over on the power steering, so that we can go for a test drive and not get broken down. But otherwise, she's sounding pretty good. Mossy, are you impressed?
Sounds like a
violent little...
definitely air in there.
Yeah, well, I'm not surprised. And it's probably low on fuel.
She sounds like a Snoek that wants to
Be free.
be free, yeah.
Yeah, this thing worked, eh? This thing made lots of money for these people fetching boats. Check at that thing. Check that electrical bit.
Oh, that's quite good.
I don't think we should touch any of that stuff because
What's
it's...
bothering me is that this coil doesn't have any.
We can't drive without steering wheel. This is not KZN. Eh?
For sure.
We're not going to the Blue Lagoon. That thing must come off. This is a Snoek. I wonder now, do you think that's coming off after those 3 bolts came off?
I told you how it works, but you didn't listen to me. Yeah, we'll stop it now.
You're such a liar. So those things normally come with a bloody
I'm
house.
just gonna, if that, don't even have to. It's probably not gonna be long enough now.
No, that won't work. You're trying to kill me, bro.
That's where the tricks comes now, man. Just to get this fucking piece off here now. That's
No, we now just need a... Where's that flower-shaped puller?
Yeah, we need a puller now, yeah.
Where is it?
In a special tool.
Man, that's awesome. Let's go to the special tool room. Special tool room. So as you remember, you saw me head on down to the special tool room to fetch that. That's the special tool. Not that guy, that thing there. He's also a tool, but not the special tool. So, if your low bed bolts look a bit used, you know why. Oh, there's the world's slowest forklift is driving past our shop.
That was easy.
Not even a pop or anything. No fucking drama. Oh, that's bullshit.
Just easy first.
What's
For
that?
sure.
Upgrade. It's the wrong spline, eh?
No, it's not. Can't go deeper than that. See, you got
Oh,
the
yeah,
indicators.
it's got the cup.
The indicators is going
Yeah.
on there.
Nice, that's what I like. Now that's the kind of steering wheel the Snoek deserves. Check that dashboard. That's some quality stuff. Cigarette lighter with priorities.
See if it works.
Probably. There's some weight reduction there on the load bed. It helps increase the speed. And then the air goes in here, cools off the rear drums for when you're racing down the highway. So it's in the process of patenting this design of air ducting down to the rear brakes.
Stop talking nonsense of the consumers, please.
Consumers. Then, so now I'm filming you.
Can I get the camera, please? Cameraman.
Handing you over to Arno. His dream was to be a cameraman. And today he gets to film Snoek 2.0.
So don't flood it now, eh?
Never flooded it before.
Are you sure?